Hello guys, welcome back to Ariman Professor. So we have now six out of six relics with us, and we are back to Venwood. We came to the southern dock of Venwood Forest into the Legend Bazaar. I came in here as we know, we are left with two things to do over here. One is the exotic fruit. So we still don't have the exotic fruit. I'm not pretty sure when the exotic fruits arrives. So I mean, according to him, the shipment is still to be shipped, maybe. So let's wait. And the second thing that we need to do is before that we save it. Since I came just from there, I didn't save it, and so we'll travel to the forest and we'll go to the Venwood. There in the Venwood, we'll look for the merchant who sells us weapons and armor, and hopefully this is the time that we can get that weapon now. And although I should have done this previously, and then went to the dream relic, the dream realm for the dream relic, but I don't know. I think I just went with the flow and just went on doing what I was already in the dream realm and just didn't stop it. I just went through it. Although it was not that hard. I mean, it was hard, but not that hard. I was able to beat him. So first of all, let's fill up supplies, and then we'll check for the weapons. So echo flame, of course, we can have around 50 because these are the one which is required the most. I'll take a random number 10. Cassia leaf is good enough, and I don't think nothing else. What else? Love charm are 5, Solma 4, 4, 4. Let's make it 5. And round off to the 5. And now let's check this armor shop, the merchant. Ah, thank God he's here. So the sequence plays this way. I think we have to go to the sea relic or water relic and then come back here. Then we can find it. So I haven't been selling anything for a long time. I have kept a lot of things with me. So it's time that I should let something down. And two of these, because one in Tarvendron and one in the water relic. Robe also, I think I'll just keep it for some time. And stringer, I won't require a stringer now. Paladin armor, let's keep if let's see if I may require it or not. Okay, let it go with the robe. I actually didn't want to, but I actually clicked it. So what has gone now. Let's not keep it. Salamander skin, I still can't sell it. I wanted to sell it, but I still haven't found a person other than in Tarvendron to buy it. And what else? Wing sandal, I can sell this wing sandal as well, but although I don't require them now, but just let it keep it for as a memento. And if you require it, then we'll sell it later. Oil tonic, might not require it now. Cassia leaf is good. I need it. I've got holy pendant too. I'm not pretty sure I haven't been using them. Mutton too much, but it will be okay. So here are the inventory. We have a robe for Talia. I think it should be better than the Tivana robe or Tivana robe. We have got antlers, and this can be worn by two of our characters. Even Frederick has one now. A great hammer would be if we had that dwarf from dwarf mines, and mercenary from dwarf mine. And I think this rapier would be required by the princess Alicia if she was with us. Spike Sword is for Devin. This must be better than. So what we'll do is we'll save just in case I'm not making any mistakes. I'll save here. I'm in class 65 now, and I'll buy one of these each item, the robe, the antlers, and the spike sword. I'll just try it with Talia, how much defense and attack if it is giving, and the spike sword, and then I'll go for Frederick if it is required. I'm not pretty sure Atlas what Atlas is doing, but so apparently this is Atlas. We already have one endem for Talia. It had some good attack of 120 and defense of 2. Now this is good in case of attack. So Talia doesn't have much attack. So I think if I'm wearing this one, it will give us good attack also. And defense is lesser than the endem, but of course I'll use it for purpose of attack. 585 attack now, and endem defense was good. I mean, I was reaching 900 mark, but it didn't have attack, so I think something can be compromised with attack. Also, I have a rope which will also be used as part of defense. So this blue one, let's compare it first. So the pink one is the Vanna robe, and it is like 98 defense, and no match. I can't match it. 432. So it is beyond. So the defense has gone beyond 1000 now. So we are doing good. I think we can let go of the one rope now. Antler is good. Shield. We don't have a better shield for. We only have iron shield. And for Devin, we bought a sword. I think it should be okay. Let's check the flame sword because I'm using a 200 sword right now, Thor. So attack of 230 and defense of 5, and attack of 500 and defense of 15. Now this is way better than it, but let's compare it with Thor. It had an attack is same. Just wait a minute. What's I think both of them are same, right? 999 and 600 803. Now only thing which matters would be that I think I can use a shield with this weapon. So I think this comes in efficient one, more efficient one, because it will increase my defense as well. So defense has gone to 946 and attack is already 1000 plus. So when it says 999, it means that it can't hold more of those 4-digit number. It can only hold 3-digit number. Okay, so so it was the helmet. So it is the first helmet for Frederick. We haven't bought it yet, but it would be the first helmet for Frederick. So let's do it. I think we can go with some attack for. Okay, Tivana robe can be sold now. 8000 gold. Thor, I'll just keep it. Flame sword I can sell. Maybe let it wait. Anadem can be sold for 7500. And I think I can. No, I have a dilemma of using Thor and the new spike sword. Spike sword is also poisonous, so that's good point. We have too many diamonds and rubies with us, so we can also make use of those. Around 13 rubies. Okay, so one antler for Frederick now, and let's add this antler to Frederick helmet. It's the first helmet that animal can wear, so I think attack 120 and defense 230. Now this has actually increased his stats now. We were waiting for it for a long time. I mean, we are already making use of Dragon 1600 attack and Unicorn as 2500 attack, and so 200 or something more uh, addition to it, and defense was less, so I think defense is now good. Now all our party members are doing good. 989 defense, 900, almost all are 900 plus except Jack. Now this comes in price, I told you. We still have to save him. We have been saving him. We could have just given him this time, but we still keep him. uh, Now what happens is, if you had given I mean sacrificed Jack in water or sea relic, in the sea relic, and went for another fourth member, like maybe Princess Alicia or that mercenary, their strength or their armor and all those things would be less. I mean, it's according to the time that you came into acquaintance. uh, at those times they were very uh, strong, had good armor and strength, but for now they will be less as compared to Jack. So either you have to build them up again, and it will take a long time. So coming to this point, I think you should better let it go, or otherwise you must have been doing replacement on and go again and again. Then I think it could have been handy that even their level class and classes could have increased, and they so we still don't have the exotic fruit. We're still pending. So I think we are done from here. I'll come back for the exotic fruit. Sorry, I'm not able to say exotic fruit once it is available here. Once I know how it is available here. So let's go. Let's go somewhere. And now I'm not pretty sure because I already have 6 of the relics with us. And now, as part of the prophecy, we need to go to Mistinfar, where I think I have to meet the High Priestess Gewelden, if I'm Geweld, I don't remember her name, and she will form a stone called as Agia from here. But before that, there are some few tasks, small tasks, side tasks left, which were part of merit and demerit points, which comes in for I haven't been to this place. I haven't seen this place. How do we reach it? Okay, this is still a mystery. We haven't been here. As I was saying, yes. So I think couple of sub tasks, or I say side tasks, are pending. One is in Thayas, and one is in Animal Village. So we will go there. And okay, I'm in Kandar. Let me see if I have something. Yes, one more point. Since we are here, we also have to get one of our party member married. So I think it's time that I should go for marriage as well. So we went with Princess Alicia and Devon. So we'll continue that, because if you go to Talia, then we have to repeat everything again and again, the bar and the flowers and all those things. So we'll do that. It came to my mind. I eventually came to Kanda, wrong place, but it just struck to my mind. So Thayas is the place now we will be visiting, and probably this will help us get some story going for Alicia as well. I mean, it is not part of prophecy or something like that, but and it even doesn't give much benefit, only some gifts like diamonds and rubies. But at this point, it is not necessary. But again, since we are playing this game, so let's complete each and everything that we can do. So making use of a ship now, we don't have to pay anything. And these enemies, these lizards would be camel and lizard, what we call them. They would be very weak compared to what we are now. So let's complete these two tasks in Thais, which is first is let you know. One is with the, if you remember last time when we went from here, there was a noble house. Let's save ourselves also, I mean refresh our life, although I mean it is not much affected. So last time, if you remember, when we were here at the noble house, there were two person fighting for money. One nobleman didn't had given the borrowed money to him, and we just left that part. We just informed that person, Lord Pritchard, I don't remember his name correctly, but there was a house at the bottom, from here, and so we left that part there, because it won't be effective unless you go to Tar Vendron and do everything. I mean it get enabled or sequenced after that. So you have to go to the wire, sorry, not wire, fire cave, fire relic. Only then this task get enabled, and then you can go come here. These two houses. Remember this one, this ignoring person, Sir Pellard. Yes, it pictured is Pellard. So this arrogant person, if you remember, we just told him that he has some money pending to given to this noble person over here. So it just paused there. But now if you see here, another of Jack look like died. So it's not Jack look like, it's Mr. The main house owner. And so the constable over here would be suspecting the maid that did, but our task is to be a spy right now, and so Talia would be a spy, and we need to find out who murdered the nobleman. I actually forgot his name. So yes, you made a mistake. I think someone else is doing it. What evidence do you have? I don't have any evidence, so we need to find some evidence. And as far as I remember, the last time that I played, see the doctor over here, or he says that he must have been poisoned. The hypothesis is that the poison was used for as a murder weapon. So if you remember, yes, Tevor. So if you remember, the restaurant over there was a man wearing a hood, and so if you talk to this person now, you understand that Pellard and Tevor are already having quarrel between them, and they are not doing good, you can say. And so he has a reason to kill him, because if Sir Tevor is out of picture, then Pellard would be the mayor of this area. So there's a political motive to hit him, kill him, sorry, not hit him. But if you now we have two evidence with us. Suspect. We can now go to that restaurant over here, and the hoodie person. If you remember, he was there to sell us some poison and some this one, Nightcrawler, Hemlock. Ask about the recent customers. Business has been slow. Okay. A nobleman visited me the other day, brought a vial of Nightcrawler to rid her the sea. So the rat, the fatty rat he killed was not rat, was Sir Tevor. So The Nightcrawler is the weapon, the poison which has been used to kill, and so we have the first evidence with us, but this won't be enough. Compare that we already the the doctor of apothecary already know that it was poison, but and we know that one of the person has an access to that poison. One of them bought at one of the noble house, but we are not sure that it was Sir Pellard. So we all know that from the locals around that they're not doing good, but just for suspicion we can't blame someone straight away unless we have proof. So to prove that, we need to search more evidence in the house. Although we can tell this to the constable that we know that. So I think you have made a mistake. I think someone else is okay. What evidence do you have? We've been down to the Golden Boar Tavern. A man there said he sold Nightcrawler poison to man, fitting Pallard's description. Exactly. So it is fitting him, but that is not enough evidence for me. And after nobleman, of course. So we just can't straight away blame him for having it. It could be anyone else. So we need to find the second evidence. So let's search this area, maybe his room or maybe the kitchen where the maid stays. I think let's search this room first. Also her wife is on her wife, novel wife, the royal one, the fourth cousin, what she said of the royal is here, so we can also inquire from her. And let's search the kitchen, the maid. Okay, so there's nothing that it can be. Okay, let's ask the chef. It doesn't change anything for him. That was the menu on the wall, so nothing. I only remember one thing from last experience was that we have to go to that person, the hoodie person in the restaurant, but I don't remember the second evidence. Okay, he was like a brother to me. Okay, can I go to his house? Not it's locked. Constant barge to his. Okay, so we're back here in the house, and it has to be somewhere here only. So I think we should go to the. It was. I think it is another floor, and the bedrooms or the rooms with the small beds and that wife of Mr. Trevor. Yeah, so I think let's inquire her. My poor husband, sniff, sniff, sniff. Okay. No, she's crying, but it could be just acting. Okay, there's one. There's a letter over here. 200 gold pennies due in 3 days. So Pallard had 250,000 gold pennies past due. So I think this can be evidence because Pallard had owed him too much money. I mean, 250,000 is too much. If Pallard doesn't pay, okay. So here it is. I think this is the best evidence we can have. Yes. So let's go back to Constable. Okay, I'm taking the long route now. I don't think I have anything else. I think this is the evidence which I needed. since Ballard owed him too much of that money. I mean, 250,000 is such large amount of money, and so the same dialogue. Okay, so I think the reason to kill him was, I think you made a mistake. I think okay, what evidence do you have? Sir Pellet was about to lose his estate to Sir Tevard. He owed Tevard 250,000 golds. We've been down to the Golden Boat Heaven and a Nightcrawler person to man fitting Pellet. Okay, so something boys. So let's go search. Okay, so the search now begins to his house, and I think we should wait. That was quick. We found a suspicious empty vial, and let the apothecary. It's appeared to be Nightcrawler resin constable. Yes, exactly. So it was a poison Nightcrawler that was sold by the person in the boat tavern. It was tavern, not a restaurant. So that's it. I think the maid is free now, and we make one merit point over here by saving her ass. And although we don't require merit points now because we have already opened up the glass coffin, and it is not worthy now, but since I think as part of playthrough, and I think even the Mr. Parrot is out now, so he must have been captured now to we so close all of okay. So since he's out of picture now, convicted for murder, of course he was supposed to be. So this is done, and we are also over here. So second part, let's see what is going on with the Colosseum. It doesn't have change. It hasn't changed since we left here. The prophecy is still going on. So since we are here, let's meet our tomboy Alicia, and I think it was I just forgot it was the center one, and take her with us, and then we will get Devin and her married, and so to do that I think we have two options. One is to leave Jack, and he'll take everything from us. So and Frederick, so we can let Jack go. I think he will still be here because it would be good, because once we come back after getting married we will find Jack here. So next time we'll get them married, and till then I think I'll take a leave. So keep tuning, keep subscribing, and leave a comment and you like on this video, and we will see you back with the new episode. Bye bye.